Strangers? Oh no. Every killer caught so far was someone very close to their victim.
Ooh, wow, Robin, that's so creepy.
It's what I've heard.
And we still need to make another trip for supplies.
No,
Sanji, food!
Ouch, damn, Captain.
Perhaps it's the work of a jealous spay.
In a minute, shitty captain. Why? It's empty? I swear I prepped some...